Are you struggling to cut these side windows? I got your back. Roll the film out just like this. Spray your window. Put in your mouth. Always cut more than you should, because if you cut it too short, you waste all this film. But if you cut it a little bit too big, you know, you're just gonna waste a small amount. So just cut a little extra, always extra. Overlapping a little bit so that there's no light gap. And when you tack this, I tack the top and I bring it down. Because usually when you start to cut it and you don't bring the fingers down, you're gonna get fingers popping up right here at the top, and it's messing up with the cut just a little bit. So you wanna do it precise. Make this little U shape right here, this N shape, upside down U. Do this. Sharpie the side. See this side, you're not gonna cut. You're gonna cut all of this. So you just wanna Sharpie here. I'm gonna Sharpie here. And when I Sharpie this, I'm not gonna Sharpie all the way to the top, maybe halfway, about here, and down. And then I follow this right here. I eyeball this here. As soon as you're done, turn it off, take the key out, because you're gonna kill the battery of this vehicle. Notice how it's not lifting. You wanna pull towards you and up. So I'm pulling towards me and up. I don't pull towards me and I'm just lifting this. Look at this. I pull towards me this way. Now it lifts. When I'm gonna cut this end that goes all the way down here, most people are struggling mainly because this is too out. You wanna do at least 1 click or half a click. You're gonna be super precise. Keep your finger here. Notice how when I put pressure with my finger, I'm flattening this out. If you're doing this, it's lifting back on you and fighting you. You wanna relax the film. Do this as you're cutting it. Come down with the blade and go as deep as you can, and then stop. And then you finish the rest on the peel board. This isn't fighting me no more, it's fighting me here. So now I just need to put my finger here. This piece of tint is gonna make it fight you right here because there's a lot of weight. So put your finger above it and then do this. So that way there's no downward pressure of the tint fighting against the blade. And once you get here and you notice it's gonna start to fight you, let go of this, put your other finger here and keep going down. Angle it this way. Now I'm done. But look how far this is all one cut this way. The rest you can hand cut and you won't even see it because it's already tucked in.